In this video, I'll show you how to assign multiple people to one task in Asana. So to get started, go ahead and open Asana in your preferred browser and then sign into your account. And then from here, select open in browser. And then once you're on your dashboard, go ahead and head over into your project space. So go ahead and click on your project space where you want to create a task with multiple people to be assigned. So close this pop-up first. Once you're on your project dashboard, go ahead and select the task that you want to assign to multiple individuals and then click on this collaborations, which you'll find below the comment section. So make sure to click on this plus button under collaborations and then go ahead and enter the email of those individuals that you want to assign to this task. So you can assign multiple individuals to each task that you have on your project. So make sure to enter the correct emails since they will be notified for each of the tasks assigned to them. And that is how you can basically assign multiple people to one task in Asana. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.